This is Irontrader, and the pitch just closed here about 5 minutes ago. So we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have Crude, your daily chart. Now remember, the API report will be out today at 4:30, and then that EIA report will be out on Wednesday at 10:30 for crude oil and at 10:30 on Thursday for natty gas. Okay, let's see what we got here. Well, here we have series of lower lows. That's never good. Now, if you've been watching the videos, you'll notice that I've been pointing out this negative divergence here, okay? That's the first tell that says it's going to sell off. Now, what do we have here on your MACD? Okay, your green crossed over your red. That is not good also, okay? So always watch your MACD, watch your RSI, and watch your volume. Now, today here, this is exactly why you trade the charts, okay? Now, it's sold off, and where did it go? Look at that 21 SMA. How cool is that? Now, it's sitting at 80.40. Crude today, its low was exactly 80.40. Okay, so all right. So here's what we have. Now, if you lose this 21 day, then what we do is you look to the bottom of this candle here. You're looking at 79.90. Then we look to the bottom of this candle here, 79.05. The bottom of this candle here, 78.69. Then we look to the top of this key candle right here, sitting at 77.33. Okay, this was your breakout level. See where it came? Went into the 200-day, couldn't do it. Went to the 200-day, couldn't do it. But that's where the breakout is. So this always wants to kind of retest that. If you lose that 21-day, watch for this for support. Now, right below it is you got 76.73, your 200 SMA. Your 50-day crossed here above your 100-day, which is nice, at 75.22. And then you have your Hondo sitting at 74.97. Those are all your support levels, but just watch these key, that 21 SMA, and then the bottom of these candles here for your support. And right there, that's 77.33, and then your 200-day at 76.73. All right, on the upside, well, we have to look at yesterday's low. So you want to look at 81.76. Then you want to look at that 82.70. That's going to be your key resistance. There, your 8 SMA. Then we go to the top of this candle right here. You're looking at 83.20. Then we come over here to this candle here. You're looking at 83.53. Very, very important resistant level. If you can get above, then we here at 83.81. You have 84.65. And then you retest 84.89. Now, when you look at this chart here, when you point this out here, when I pointed this out here, this negative divergence, that's where you got to take heed that, this is like a topping pattern right there. Okay, so always look at that. Always look at that MACD here, okay? And then now, key support. Now, again, if you can hold this 21-day tomorrow, okay, then we got a good chance of this going right back up here to your 8 SMA here, and maybe a little pinball action, and maybe it could break up higher. However, if it loses it, now you know exactly where your support levels are here, all intact here, in case you wanted to scalp it short. Okay, now let's take a look here on a weekly and a monthly. All right, here's your monthly chart. Well, there's not really much to say. It's still in really good shape. You're above your 100, 50, 200-day, and your key 8 SMA here. Now you're basically doing a little ping pong action here. The key is this candle right here, the 83.53. If you close above, you got a good shot here at that 86.15 if you can get above the 100-day at 85.60 on your weekly chart, okay? So your monthly here, still in good shape. Now, here on your weekly chart here, well, this is still pretty good shape here because bottom line, you're just inside day here for the week here. Of course, it's only Tuesday. Now, again, you want to watch that 83.53. Then you want to look here at your 84.89 and then your 100-day at 85.60. That's your upside. The downside, look at your 50 SMA, 78.14. Look at your 8 SMA here, 77.94. If that's lost, then you got 77.55 here. Okay, so you know where your upside is, you know where your downside is. Now we'll have to see if this API number here is going to make a difference in the EI report on Wednesday. Right now, everything's down because they say that demand in China is slowing down. So we have to see here. Now, again, always look at it could be a possible hurricane season, any kind of a disruption here. You're going into the final summer driving here, going into Labor Day. So don't get too bearish. Trade the charts. You can see what I'm showing you here on the charts. They work. All right, let's take a look here at the old natty gas. All right, here we have natty gas, your hourly and your 4-hour chart. Well, you can see here this pattern here that was working, not so much. So you came all the way down here to 2.64. That is way below your 200 SMA here. Your 8 days curling down. All your SMAs are curling down. Not looking too good. Okay, so what you want to do is trade against this 2.64. If that is lost here, then we just keep working ourselves all the way on down here. Like when you look at the 4-hour chart here, you can come down here and do the actual retest all the way down to 2.45. On the upside here, you want to watch this 8 SMA, 2.68, and then your 2.73. That is your 200 SMA here. Then you have your 2.77, 2.82, and your big retest here is at 2.86. But right now, let's not get too excited here until you lose this 2.64. All right, your 4-hour chart here, well, she's not looking really too good here. Okay, you need to get above this key 200 SMA here, 2.67, and you need to get above this, going towards this 50 SMA, 2.74. Your 8 days curling down, 2.76, and then 2.78. But you really need to get above this candle here, okay, sitting at 2.86 to give yourself a shot to run back up here. But right now, this is looking pretty ugly here. Like you just definitely want to go there and possibly retest the 2.45. All right, let's take a look here on your daily chart. All right, here we have your daily chart all stretched right on out here, okay? You can see 3.018. I've been pointing out this candle here for months. 3.027. What do you got? You got yourself a double top right there, okay? Sold down. Try to hold it here. Kind of a bear flag going on here. So what we want to do here is you want to watch this key SMAs here. So what do we have here is you want to look at this 50, okay? So you're sitting at 2.60. That is going to be your key level that you want to hold. If not, you're going to have to start looking to these candles here. You're looking at 2.57. Here, you're looking at 2.52, and then we have 2.55 here, and then you got your 2.45 is your retest here. Okay, but watch that 50-day. That's the key. Now, on the upside here, you want to watch your 8 SMA here. Let me see if I can get that a little bit clearer. Your 21 SMA here, you're looking at 2.68. Your 8 SMA there, you're looking at 2.76. And then your price channel, you got the retest there at 3.08. But you want to look at this candle right here. This candle is very important. It's sitting at 2.87. That's going to be a very critical candle there. If you can get above that candle, then you got a shot at the retest there and a possible, higher on this 3.027. If you can get above that, then we look here at your 200 SMA here, sitting at 3.36. But right now, your SMAs here are really tight here now. You're going like a sideways action. Your 8 days still above your 21-day is looking good here. But just keep in mind here on these, on your 21 SMA here and on your 50 SMA here for your on the downside, because that there is not looking good at all. Now today, I scalped the cold, KOLD, because you lost the 8-day. So once you lost that, so I got 2 points out of cold there today. So that was okay. I didn't scalp any long at all. So we got to just see how this all is going to shake out there tomorrow. All right. I will be back tomorrow morning before 8 o'clock, and we will review crude oil here and natty gas. Thanks for watching.